the home of famous chocolate hills, Bohol. Experience and see the beauty of Bohol via Klook. Book your city tours with Klook and get additional discounts. Book now and use my promo code Christianera.